Well, I've got my game. I think it would be quite motivating if I had a score being displayed. This bottom left corner maybe that told me how far I got. If I do this with this score, you might think of other kind of score or status updates that you might display on the screen. So we are going to put the code that draws text on the screen inside the onDraw function. I've already done it, so I've pasted this in. So the score arcade.drawText is how we put text on the screen. That's the thing I want to put on the screen, and then I've got the X and Y coordinates and kind of in font, I think. This won't work as it is. Firstly, I haven't got a self.score variable. We'll sort that out in a second. Secondly, I can't just put a number out. It's expecting text. So just for the moment, I'm just going to put strut around it because that turns my number variable of score into a string. But we'll do better than that in a minute. Now, what am I going to do? Score. So I'm just going to create a self.score variable. Starts at 0. And in the update, I'm going to put right here self.score plus equals 1. So only if it isn't game over, so because we're inside this if statement, will it add 1 onto the score. That's incorrect. There we go, just making sure I've got the indentation all lined up there. Let's try that out, see how that looks, see if it works, if there's any errors. Testing, this will be. Oh look, I've got a number down the bottom there. And as these guys, I'm going to die here. Oh, I didn't die, but yeah, 300 max score, high score. I don't like just having the 300. We're going to do print formatting just to tidy up this line here, because quite often you want to combine text with numbers, and what I want it to have is the text, so inside speech marks score, and then I want it to have self.score displayed afterwards. And the format, this is what I use, there's other ways to do it. If I put %s here, and then put %, it will replace that %s with whatever I've got here. And I need to remove that bracket as well. And that's just neater and tidier than some other string building techniques. But there's others equally valid ways to do it. There we go, score going up very nicely, everything working as it should.